Hi, I want to show you quickly how to make a payment from your Zappo wallet for somebody else or for you. So you log into Zappo and you will get this screen in there. Then you must go there into your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so you click there on your Bitcoin wallet where you have your Bitcoins. Then you go to the top there and you press send. Then it comes up with this screen, and then the address where you want to pay to, that you enter there. So if you received an email from Thrive and you copied the address that they give you there to register your share, you go and copy that address and then you paste it in there. Then the amount, if you buy the app 32, it's 0.04. Obviously the others are different prices, 0.08 for a bronze and so forth. So in this case I'm paying for a app 32, so that's 0.04 bitcoins. Okay, and it gives you the dollar value there, it's $101. Then you go here and you press send. Then it gives you this option. You can go high priority or standard priority. I'm going to choose standard priority. And it gives you the amount, the miners fee, blockchain fees. This is the fee that is going to be added to the 0.04. Okay, so I selected standard priority and I press continue. Then it asks me for my password, which I cannot give to you. Okay, there my password is in and I confirm the transaction. Now when this screen comes back, I'm going to click there because I want to go to that screen now. And then this normally takes a bit of time. I don't know if my computer is slow or what. It didn't always take time. But now it takes a little bit of time to give you this 6-digit second factor code. It's going to give you a number. It's going to SMS it to you. But you have to wait. You see here underneath, there's going to come up another message like the one you see here. Where do I find the code? It is in light blue here on my computer. But it's going to come up here with the option to send the code to my cell phone. So I'm waiting for that message to arrive. And that takes very long lately. I don't know why. It takes up to about 1 minute that I'm waiting for that message to come. Once that message appears there, then I will click on it and then they will send a 6-digit code to my cell phone. Or if you click there, they're going to send it to your cell phone, the number that you have given to Zappo. And when you receive that, you're going to insert that here where it says second factor code. Now you will see the code normally comes, there's 6 letters, sorry, not letters, numbers in the code. There's 6 numbers in the code with a dash in between. But don't let the dash hinder you. You don't put the dash in, you just put the 6 digits in. That will be SMS'd to you. They will send you a message with the code. Now, as you can see, I'm waiting very long. I don't know what is the reason. And there it appears now. Send the code via SMS text message. So there I'm sending the code. Now I have to check my phone. And there I can feel it's vibrating. It will come any moment. Must just make sure your connection is good. And there it is. I received the code. So I'm going to put in the code there. It's consisting out of 6 numbers. And every time it's a different number they will send to you to pay. So there you enter it and then you approve it. And then the screen will come back. and it will give you a message like here. It will say it's approved, and now it's being processing, as you can see there. So this basically means it's paid for. And when I do it for other people, I normally hit Control FN print screen to copy the screen, and then I email it to them as a proof that I've paid for their Bitcoins. Right? So I'm sure you will be able to do it now.